Okay, we're recording.
Our taxi's coming, and boy, do we have a lot of stuff. I hope we can get it in the car. Is that him?
That's probably him.
I got red off. He says Smith.
Hola.
Hola, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Yo soy Mario.
Mucho gusto, Sebastián.
Sebastián.
Yeah. We have 5 filters that we bring. We got, you see the filters here. We got some clothes, some toys, more filters, and this all has to go to Comalapa. Well, here we go. Front seat completely filled, and the back seat, I didn't think we're gonna fill it, but this car is llena, full.
But I'm like, here we are on the road again. Yippee! I can't wait to get there.
Look at all the goodies.
Oh, we're packed. From the front seat all the way to
Again, Bill, how was that coffee, Bill?
It's really good. I'm pretty chill today.
Good.
Yeah, it's only way not to have a mask in the Uber. It's so crazy, right? If you eat or drink.
So we're sipping on that coffee real slow.
Yeah, we're sipping very slow.
Nice.
And I'm excited about getting back and praying. What can we get into? Who can we inspire? How exciting. We have toys, we have shoes, we have clothes.
¿Cómo está el donut?
Muy
Bien.
rica.
¿Tiene,
Muchas gracias.
¿Tiene chocolate en el centro? ¿O no?
No.
No tiene pasa.
No. Pasa.
Bien, chocolate.
Wow. And yours?
Esta, no.
No, oh.
Crema. I said, oh my gosh, they have those chicken wings that are hot and spicy, the best in Guatemala, the barbecue sauce. I'm so excited. Looks like we're going into a rainstorm. Oh boy.
Now I know why he wants to go back to Comalapa. Here we are back in our little hotel room, and it feels like being back home, especially because of the HD 4K video. Here we are.
Sun came out, not raining. We're back at Comalapa. It's like coming home.
It is.
We
It
know
is.
so many people.
And it's just so much fun.
Yeah.
Here they are, the chicken wings.
What wings?
Chicken wings.
What?
Chicken wings. Oh my god, you're already done.
I was so happy. It was lunch at 5.
Your 5 o'clock lunch. And so we're back in Comalapa yet again with a lot of filters this time and a lot of toys as well. Stay tuned because we will go into the field with the family selection, bring in the corn. So that's going to be an adventure for sure, and you don't want to miss out on that one. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.